What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We're gonna work on the RSX again. I'm here with my homie Danny.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna actually change the little window assembly because my window doesn't go down. So I'm gonna show you guys.
It's stuck, man.
Yeah, dude. So my window doesn't go back up, and we're gonna change the window regulator. Well, it's like the whole assembly. I don't have any experience on changing the window regulator, and we're just gonna wing it. I got my friend to help me, and yeah, see how it goes. So I got the part right here inside this box. I got this part like 2 weeks ago, but we've been having like bad weather here. Like it's been raining and stuff, and it's not a good day to be vlogging. So I'm barely installing it right now, and I'm barely gonna open it right now too. Oh, it comes with the instructions, bro.
Dang. Bro, you're set.
Ooh. Bro, I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at, dude. Well, let's just take out the other one first.
Yeah.
So to remove the panel, there's gonna be I think 2 screws right here behind the little handle. There's a little panel you take out. Behind the panel, there's 2 screws. So you take out the panel, and then there's gonna be 2 screws you have to take out, and then the panel should come right out. Once you take out the 2 screws, there's gonna be like a little wire, the little yeah, the wire that it pulls to open up the door. You just take it out. There's like a little clip right here. Take that clip off, and you should pop right out just like that. And then there's gonna be a little wire clip right here as well for the lock. Oh. And then there's another wire back here.
For the window, the window button?
Yeah, the little switch. There you go.
And it's off.
Oh, it's right here. I think that's it right there. I feel like we're gonna be here all night, bro.
Think so?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Using these 2 right here. Yeah, 5. So it looks like this was the last one because the window's falling down. And there's another one over here. Cecilia is this one right here.
Cecilia.
She stopped.
So it was these 2, these 2, these 3, and then that one?
And then this one here, yeah.
What mod should we do to that one, guys? Comment below. Let us know. Yeah, you're good.
No?
Can you lift it from that side? There you go.
Maybe I just need to take off that fucking film. Hold on.
Nah,
Oh! 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 Bro, we're over here struggling, man.
Yeah, just try not to scratch up your windows.
Right here?
Yeah.
No, it's like... Right, you good? Hey. Alright, so we got the window out. It's gonna make things way easier. Yeah, you can put it in there, dude. It's all good. Alright, so we took out the window. I'm sure the assembly should be easy to take out. Dude, I thought we were gonna be here all day and shit. There you go. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it like right here, just to look at it. So it was like this, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So we're just gonna take off the hardware that came with. Alright, so we're gonna put the assembly back in, man.
You should put this side. And then just bolt this side on. Oh, wait.
Hey. Alright. So we put the assembly back in. We actually connected it real quick so we could raise the window, the little thing that holds the window piece all the way up. Alright guys, so we put the window assembly in now. So it was these two bolts. These two bolts, that's the bolts that holds the rail, that moves it up and down. And then this is like the motor thing. These three bolts. And that's pretty much it. Everything's in place now.
Don't forget that last one.
This one? Which one?
The
Oh,
bolt?
this one?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought it was like more complicated, dude. Like we could like install windows and shit.
Yeah. You want to make sure it rolls down and up?
Yeah. Hold on, let me just put this clip in. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's why you gotta pinch it in from the inside. Dumb. And you just connect it. Yeah, what the fuck? There you go. And that's it, bro.
That's it.
Alright, man.
There's a
Moment of
truth.
Moment of truth, man. He's gonna roll down and up. Yo!
Hard. What about this one, man? What about this one?
Oh, what?
Damn.
One step at a time, bro.
It's been a year since
Bro, that's amazing, huh? Seen that? Every time I wanted to talk to the homies, I would have to like roll down the fucking sunroof to talk to them because they can't hear me. Dog, thanks, man. I appreciate you, man.
Good shit, bro.
I love you, man.
I love you too.
So we're just gonna put the connectors, connect everything back, and put the panel back. The window's working now. I'm like very happy. I've had this car for like a year now, and I never rolled down that window because it could roll down, but it wouldn't roll back up. And it's like, I don't know. It's nice knowing that I could I could be driving with both windows down. Bro, we're gonna look back at these videos and we'll be like, dang, what the fuck are we doing? Stupid. For real, bro. It's been fucking hot. And it's cold. There you go. You get your panel. You put it back in there. There you go. There you go. Hey. My window works now, man. Alrighty, guys. So that's the end of the installation. That's the old part. Put the panel back in. As you saw, the window goes up and down. Thanks to my homie Danny for helping me out. We thought we were gonna be here like all day till like the sun goes down and stuff. We were gonna be out here with the flashlights, but thankfully we finished in like an hour, less than an hour, around there. Yeah.
It was about an hour.
Alrighty, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Sorry if this video seems kind of a little short. I haven't been vlogging. The weather's been really bad lately around here. And actually, this Mercedes right here, my friend Danny, he's selling it. if you guys are interested, there'll be a link down below. How many miles does it have?
108,000.
How much?
108,000.
108,000 miles. You know, it runs, nothing's wrong with it.
Well, I don't know, man. I just want to get rid of it.
Or should we do a giveaway right now?
Giveaway. Bro, Mercedes. First 10 subscribers get some free Mercedes. You gotta share this video, like it, comment, and just we'll pick those 10 people. We'll pick randomly.
Okay. All right, guys. You heard the man. Comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed. First 10 comments, you get to win us a Mercedes. No, I'm just playing, guys. But if you guys are interested in buying this Mercedes, it's what year?
A 97 Mercedes SL 320 convertible.
It's convertible. It has a hardtop right now.
Soft top.
And yeah, if you guys are interested, the link will be down below. You contact Danny directly, and you guys will work something out.
Yep.
Alrighty, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to go comment down below about what you guys think. Comment down below if you guys want us to like do like, I don't know, what your guys' ideas on what we should install next, you know.
What would you guys want to see?
What would you guys want to see? Anything, you know. Just give some feedback and so I can improve in my videos. Make content on what you guys want to see and stuff like that. Yeah. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.